Hi guys, it's me Brittany, and today's video is a Lush unboxing video. I haven't been in the store in ages, honestly since probably pre-COVID, so I wasn't sure how they were doing everything in the stores with sanitation reasons, but they had a really great system set up and we ended up spending over $100 at Lush. And I felt like this would be a good time to show you guys some of the new items that, or maybe they're new to me and they're not for everyone else, but what I ended up purchasing and loving from the store. So of course, as always with these videos, like, comment, and subscribe. In the description box down below will be all the details of the products featured, as well as all of my social media handle. So go on ahead and give me a follow on all the platforms, as well as here on YouTube. And let's go on ahead and get started. So let's go on ahead and get into this bag of items. So the first thing we grabbed was each a bar of soap. And I feel like they have changed the way they do their soap bars. I remember, and if I could find a photo, I will try to either pop it up on here or something, but I remember going into Lush and there's these giant, they kind of look like cheese wheels, just these huge chunks of soap, and you would tell them like, I want $10 of, Honey, I Wash the Kids, or I want $5 of this, and they could go and they could chop a chunk, scale it out, and make your like own custom size bars of soap. So we got two. We got one slice of Honey, I Wash the Kids and one slice of Sea Vegetable. And so they're in these pre-measured 3.5 fluid ounces bars. And it's literally this giant row. And on the side, it'll say Lush, and that's where they cut. And they just cut it in these even strips. So you can no longer go and say, I want $10 of this, because this one bar right here is $7.95. To get $10, they would have to, give you a whole one of these and then cut a chunk of another whole bar. And it just looked like they're not doing the method of what I used to remember seeing they did at Lush. But I'm gonna go ahead and open these because I want to show you guys what it looked like. I'm gonna open mine because the Honey, I Wash the Kids is my husband's, and I don't know if he wanted me to even open it. But it is like this creamy honey color. And on the side, it says Lush. I remember back in the day, Honey, I Wash the Kids had this huge like honeycomb like wax on the top of it. And I always wanted a piece with a good chunk of it because I used it as an exfoliant. But here is a bar of the Sea Vegetable. It smells so ocean-like, and I'm excited to use this because it's been years since I've had the Sea Vegetable soap personally to use. So I love how they wrap these up for you to keep them safe. So I'm gonna peel and press this back on. I would open my husband's, so like I said, I don't know if he wants me to, but it literally is like this honey color. It's really pretty. Voila, looks like that. So I'm gonna neatly fold this back up for him. No idea when he's gonna be using his. I'm using mine tonight. Next is a lot of bubble bars. I grabbed up quite a few. In fact, one of these, I'm gonna show you a chunk of it's already missing because I've already used it. So here is one. This is the Lucky Cat. I only had 3 of these left, and I grabbed one of these up, and it's just this really cute little kitty. So adorable. And it smells really good, so I can't wait to use it. This, to me, it smells like classic Lush. You know that really distinctive scent of Lush when you walk in the store? Lucky Cat smells like it. Some of the other bubble bars and bath bombs have like more rosy scents, more cinnamon scents, or citrusy, but the Lucky Cat is that first whiff that you get whenever you come into the store. This next one it was a lemon bar. It's a bubble bar. I don't remember the name of it, but it literally is a giant lemon. A lemon. It's so cute. So the way it's set up, it kind of reminds me of like a macaroon, but it's a bubble bar. So there's 2 halves of the yellow lemon and then the white cream, which is, more bubble product. And then there's a little leaf. So what I plan to do with this one is just break chunks of it off. And it's very lemony scented. So I think that would be a great bubble bath to really awaken me. A good me day type product. And then I have a couple more in here. I got the Sleepy Bubble Bar, and it is huge. You could get so many uses out of these, and that's like one of my biggest tips with Lush products is to buy the bubble bars and you just break chunks off. So with this one, I could get 1, 2, 3, 4, honestly like 5 uses. It smells so nice. It has lavender in it. It's very relaxing. And of course, I'll have all these links below. The links are not affiliate links. I should have mentioned that in the beginning, but none of the links are going to be affiliate. They are not with the reward style platform, so I can't link it onto my LTK. The only way to link it is just a basic link in the description box. But if you want to see the ingredients, the flavors of all these products I'm showing you, it'll all be down there. And then this very last one right here is actually another Sleepy. Like I told you, I broke a chunk of it off to use the other night. And I just love it. It makes the best bubbles, like giant bubbles. It doesn't really change the color of my water too much, but I do have a giant garden tub, and the chunk size that I put in it was pink, so it just done like a really light, sort of like a cotton candy sunset color in the tub. But these are all the soaps and the bubble bars, and then of course I have this little box right here to unwrap with you guys. This is the Lovely gift set. I think this is still available. If not, I'll link one that is similar with the same exact products inside of it. I noticed throughout the years, they'll sometimes change the wrapping or the name, and it'll have the same exact items inside them. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this. Really excited because I haven't opened a Lush gift set in quite some time. Like I said, the last time I purchased Lush was like pre-COVID, so this was a really exciting little shopping trip. I felt very spoiled going in there, and it was actually quite busy, but not in a way that felt overwhelming or stressful. I'm gonna keep the wrapping paper actually because I could rewrap something with this. Let's see. Boop. There's a little bit of dust coming out. That typically happens, and you'll see they have these little packing type peanuts inside of it that sometimes knocks a little bit of dusty dust off. Plus the product inside of this, it might be a bath bomb or something. It could even be a little, you know, broken, but that's okay because I know these things come through shipping. Am I opening it wrong? Okay, there we go. So here are the little packing peanuts that I was telling you about. These are really fun because you could just drop them in your sink and turn on the water, and they'll literally degrade in front of your eyes. They're made out of, I think, potato starch, but you can also do like, you can make things with them. So you can like get a bunch of these and make like little figures. It's really cute. They're really fun for kids. So if you have any kids, or if you just want to be really creative, you could do that, and I think it's fun. They used to make these in rainbow colors. Now it looks like they're just doing white, but you can still paint them and decorate them yourself. So I have a rub scrub. It's one of my favorite products in the entire world. In fact, in a moment, I'm gonna show you an empty container, just to let you know how much I'm obsessed with it. It is this really beautiful, rich blue, kind of like Florida Panhandle tropical blue color scrub. And you just rub it onto your skin. It's a great exfoliant. It's one of my favorite things is Lush's exfoliants. So like ocean salt and then rub are two of my most favorite ones. It's really great if you do faux tanning and you need to get that faux tan off in any areas. Get some of that and just like really work it into like your elbows or somewhere where the tan is still staying behind. It's a really great item. And then there is this bath bomb inside of it. I think this is called the Sakura bath bomb. It smells really nice. It kind of reminds me, it's like the same scent of the Lucky Cat, so like that like instant Lush fragrance that you get when you walk in the store. It kind of smells like that, but a little bit more clean. So a little bit more of like a breath of fresh air type scent, but really excited. I will have it linked below with the details of what the exact fragrance is. I'm picking up a more like fun yet calming, awakening scent, but it might actually have something totally different in it, and it's just the way my nose is picking it up. Plus a little notebook. It might even tell. So it has mimosa, jasmine, and citrus. So that awakening scent that I was talking about, but also that like really calming and relaxing jasmine. And then the rub has the sea salt, and it also has a exotic orange flower in it. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. Here is what the bath bomb looks like in a little notebook. But that was a fun little gift set. like I said, I haven't had one in a long time, so this felt like Christmas or something. It's really fun and cute. So that is the Lush haul for today. Of course, in the description box down below will be links to every single item I featured in this video. That is where you can get all the details of what ingredients are in the products, how much the items are, as well as what flavor or scent the items are. These links are not affiliate links, just as a heads up. And of course, in the description box will be any other details from where I purchased the shirt that I'm wearing that is actually a new spring item. So I'll have that linked as well, and my social media handles. So thank you again for watching. I know this was a short and quick video, but I just wanted to show you guys a few of my favorite Lush items that I picked up on this recent trip.